Good morning again. My name is Fransico. I am a 27-year-old born and raised here in Duplin County. I am married to a gorgeous and supportive wife who has blessed me with two wonderful children. In the past decade, I've had the opportunity to work in the welding industry. Not only have I had the opportunity to work in that industry, but I've had the opportunity to learn and grow in that industry. In the past, I have been involved in major projects. As I mentioned earlier, I am a project engineer currently. In the past, I've had a dream of always running and operating my own business, but currently I do not have that dream anymore. As I've told myself that is the plan. So today, I am presenting FA Welding Services, where we bring professional welding directly to the job site to keep your operations moving. When equipment breaks, time is money. In the middle of a job, everything stops. Whether it's a tractor in the field, or a loader on a construction site, or a trailer for a landscaping crew, one broken weld can shut down an entire operation, or even longer. And in industries where time equals money, that downtime is costly. Right now, the typical solution is to haul that equipment to a welding shop. That means loading it up, transporting it, waiting in line, then bringing that piece of equipment back on the job site. That process can take hours, days, or even weeks depending on the workload. For small and mid-sized operations, that's simply not practical, and it cuts directly into their profits. And that's a problem. FA Welding Services is the solution. FA Welding Services will be a fully mobile welding operation that provides on-site repairs and custom fabrication where the problem happens. Instead of the customer coming to us, we go to them with the equipment, tools, and skilled expertise needed to get the job done quickly and correctly. Our mission is simple: reduce downtime, increase productivity, and provide reliable services that our businesses can count on. We focus on three key markets: agriculture, construction, and landscaping operations. In agriculture, timing is everything. Farmers rely on their equipment during very specific windows: planting, harvesting, and even feeding. If a piece of equipment breaks down during those times, they can't afford to wait. A cracked trailer frame, a broken gate hinge, or even a damaged plow piece of equipment can delay entire operations. With mobile welding, those repairs can be done immediately and effectively on the job, helping farmers continue feeding the world. In construction, downtime just doesn't affect one person. It impacts entire teams and project timelines. If a piece of equipment breaks, it can delay a whole job and increase costs. There are also safety concerns when equipment or structure components are damaged. FA Welding Services provides fast, on-demand to keep projects moving and help maintain safe working conditions. In lawn care and landscaping operations, businesses often run on tight schedules. Crews have multiple stops per day, and their equipment, like trailers and mower decks, take consistent wear and tear. If something breaks, they may lose an entire day of work. Many of these operations don't have backup equipment, so fast and reliable is critical. Our mobile service allows them to get back on the road quickly without disturbing their entire schedule. Across all three of these industries, this problem is the same. Equipment breaks, time is lost, and money is wasted. FA Welding Services solves this problem by providing fast, reliable solutions directly to the customer. What makes this business valuable is convenience and speed. Customers don't have to worry about transportation, delays, or scheduling weeks in advance. We show up assess the issue, and fix it on site. That saves time, reduces stress, and keeps the businesses running. What will make this business sustainable is our attention to detail and our excellence in delivery. From a business standpoint, this model is straightforward and scalable. Revenue is generated through hourly rates, emergency call-out fees, and project-based fabrication work. In addition, there is strong potential for recruiting income through maintenance, contracts with farmers, contractors, and landscaping operations, companies who need ongoing support. One of the biggest advantages of this business is low overhead. Compared to traditional welding shops, there's no need for large or heavy infrastructure. Instead, the focus is on a well-equipped mobile unit that can lead and travel to where the demand is. Another key advantage is access. Many rural and remote areas don't have immediate access to welding shops. By heading and being mobile, FA Welding Services can serve those areas effectively and build strong relationships with customers who depend on this service. Looking ahead, this business has strong growth potential. As demand increases, additional service trucks, crews can be added to expand coverage and take on more jobs. This service can also grow into surrounding regions, and partnerships can be developed with local farmers. Construction companies and landscaping companies, there is also an opportunity to offer even 24-hour services. At its core, FA Welding Services is about reliability. It's about being the call customers make when something goes wrong, and knowing it will get fixed quickly and professionally. And in industries that depend on equipment every single day, having a service like this isn't luxury, it's a necessary. This is a high demand and measurable outcome. Now, the ask. Funding would be used to cover startup materials, for example, insurance, licensing, and marketing to establish the business. A portion would be reserved as operating capital to ensure reliability during the startup phase and support future growth into additional service units. Now, to close, FA Welding Services is built to solve a real and ongoing problem. It reduces downtime, increases effectively, and provides a level of convenience traditional welding shops simply cannot match. We're not just fixing metal, we're keeping businesses running. I want to thank everybody for coming in today, thanking Marine Federal Credit Union and James Front Small Business Center as well for helping me continue this journey. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Now, do y'all have any questions for me at this moment?
One of my main questions is, being that there's not many competitors like you in this area, how will you put yourself out there to assure companies?
Sure. Yes, ma'am. So lately I have been doing a lot of word mouth, but social media has really been an impact on my end, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. That really has elevated our standout within our community, where I've had different individuals being able to reach out. So I've had individuals from Raleigh, Wilmington area reach out for me, and here local farmers as well. I am, as I mentioned, born and raised in Duplin County. I did go to school with a lot of individuals that family's background is in the farming industry, and so I've been able to make that connection where I've been able to provide that service to them.
Okay, say for instance your business take off and everything, where do you see yourself, like myself, and within a year from now?
From a year from now, the plan would be to have at least 2 service trucks mobile to service our community here in Duplin County and surrounding counties as well. So I guess to answer your question, my point of view would be, being able to progress and have that capability to expand and, to do multiple calls within a day.
Okay. Great job.
Thank you. Any more questions?
I've got a couple of questions, but great presentation.
I appreciate
it's
it.
obvious that you're very passionate and really looking forward to starting this business.